guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did this very easy back to school makeup look. Very easy, very straightforward, and I don't really need to keep talking, so we're just gonna get right into the video. All right, so my face, I have moisturizer on and sunscreen, and of course I have my eyebrows done. So I'm going to use my EFL Poreless Face Primer, and I'm just gonna do a little pump of that. My foundation goes on so smoothly with this primer. For foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. This is a full coverage foundation with 50 SPF sunscreen. And it is a little thinner than most foundations. It's not as thick as a lot of other foundations. So I'm not gonna apply with the sponge or beauty blender. I would recommend applying this with your hands or a brush, just so you don't waste so much product. So I'm just gonna dot this on my face. And I'm gonna start with that much, and I'm going to actually use a brush and just lightly buff it in. So this foundation spreads on very easily, which is a very good thing. And it's very lightweight, which I also like. Like, I feel like I don't have any foundation on right now, but I mean, maybe it's buildable, but it doesn't really seem full coverage to me. It seems sort of lighter, medium coverage. But I think that's perfectly fine because this is a like school look. So if you don't exactly have super full coverage beat foundation on, then that's okay. So I'm gonna use my concealer. I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer this is in Cappuccino. And I'm not gonna use a lot, just gonna go like that. And then I'm gonna top it off with the same concealer, but I'm gonna use Golden just to add a little brightness to the eye, just a little bit. Use my sponge now, and I'm just going to, of course, dab it in the eye area, blend that out. And I like to take excess and then like go around my chin, upper lip, and then like my forehead, instead of actually putting product directly there. All right, so now I'm going to move on to my powder, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 35 Deep. Just gonna put it in the top, and then I'm gonna get a little brush, tap off the excess, and set my under eye. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my T-zone. Now I'm gonna take this Real Techniques powder brush and I'm gonna swirl it in the top and set the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna use this NYX Cheek Contour Duo, and I'm gonna use the contour part. And I'm just going to very lightly start to swirl on the forehead, and like I'm barely using any pressure. Then I'm going to sort of bring that down. And I'm going to do a little some on my nose, of course. And I'm going to take this Milani pressed powder in Earth Glow, a really good bronzer. You want to make sure you don't use too much though, because it's very pigmented and it's really, really red. So we're going to be light-handed with this. And then I'm just going to take this little brush, and I'm going to take a little more powder and just put on the side of my nose. And this is the same Maybelline finishing powder. Okay, and so for my eyes, I'm just going to take a foundation brush, and you can use your bronzer or contour powder. or just a regular color. I'm just gonna use a brown color from this Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette. And I'm going to use this color Fulani, and it's in this bottom corner right here. Nice brown color. And I'm just gonna put that on the lid. And then from there, I'm just gonna sort of buff it out. So for everyday like makeup, if I do put on a eyeshadow, I don't really put concealer on or powder on my lid. I don't do any like prepping on my lid. I just go in with the eyeshadow. And I mean, it's fine. The Maybelline, the Mega Plush Volume Express Mascara, it's okay. It's pretty good. All right, so I have mascara on and I did put some lashes on. I would not wear lashes. I didn't wear lashes to school. I wouldn't wear lashes for an everyday makeup look, but for this video, I put lashes on in addition to my mascara. And so now I'm going to just blend out this little powder right here. And I always touch up my eyebrows when I'm done with my makeup. And so my face is done. For lips, I would just probably put on chapstick, Vaseline, or like nude or clear lip gloss. So that's what I'm gonna do. Rarely, I think I did sometimes wear lip liner in high school, but I'm just gonna do a little bit like that. And then I'm going to, I'm gonna use this NYX Butter Gloss in Madeleine. I've used it so many times. It's just a really good nude lip gloss. And that is it. Super simple and easy to do back to school makeup. This was actually my first time using this foundation and I like it. It's a really good foundation, I think, for you people attending class or like everyday makeup. This is an everyday makeup look, but I wanted to keep in mind school since back to school is here. So I think this is really good. It's very lightweight. It says full coverage, but I'm not buying it. I think it's more light to medium coverage. And yeah, like I said, it's lightweight and the SPF is really nice. So you're gonna be protecting your skin while you're wearing your makeup and looking cute. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, and if you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below, give a thumbs up so I can know, and also subscribe for more. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you all next time. Bye.